Our Class 376 trains have been around for over 20 years. They've reliably served millions of passengers, connecting our metro routes between North Kent and the heart of London. As part of our ongoing commitment to invest in and modernise our train fleets, we've been working hard behind the scenes here at Grove Park with our supply chain partners to refresh these trains. Our mission is to make sure that these trains keep offering the best possible travel experience.
Alstom's got a long-term relationship with both Eversholt and Southeastern. We're proud to be part of this project, working on creating a modern, connected travel experience.
So with Alstom's engineering expertise, we're able to source and provide Southeastern with high-quality materials, such as at-seat power sockets, and of course the seats that have been overhauled as well.
The midlife refresh of our Class 376s here at the Grove Park Centre of Excellence is just one part of a wider programme to deliver better journeys for Southeastern's customers. We're investing £27 million to refurbish the high-speed 395s, introducing 13 newer Class 377 trains and working towards bringing a more modern fleet to our metro routes.
This project's going to transform the passenger experience. It's going to make it a much more connected and comfortable journey.
It's fantastic to see the first fully refreshed Class 376 ready for passenger service. On board we have refurbished seating, convenient at-seat power sockets, there's energy efficient lighting and a striking new blue exterior. We think these trains look absolutely great and we're sure Southeastern's customers will love travelling on them.
We're really excited to show you the first refresh train. You'll see more of these released into service throughout 2026 and 2027. And this is just one part of our plan to provide better services to all of our customers, as well as our aim to procure a more modern metro fleet which is reliable, comfortable and cost effective for us all.